Fire Marshal Kit. A fire marshal kit, or fire emergency bag, contains equipment to assist in clearing a building of people, to identify the fire marshal, to mark cleared areas, and to help ensure no one re-enters the building. Fire marshals should keep a kit bag easily accessible to use both during fire drills and in case of a fire. Equipment in a fire marshal kit bag could include a megaphone, complete with batteries, an emergency whistle to help navigate colleagues where visibility is poor, a non-flammable gas air horn to help raise the alarm, high-visibility fire marshal vest so you can be easily identified. Identifiable safety helmet, again you can be easily identified. Fire marshal identification armband, again you can be easily identified. Safety light sticks to help illumination of evacuation route. Hazard barrier tape to help prevent re-access to the building until it is safe.